Did you know that Baykar, a leading defense company in Turkey, has developed an innovative drone called the Short Apple UAV? This unmanned aerial vehicle is designed for various military applications, showcasing advanced technology and versatility. The Short Apple UAV features a compact design, making it ideal for operations in confined spaces. With its impressive flight endurance, it can carry out long-duration missions, providing real-time intelligence and surveillance capabilities. Equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and cameras, the Short Apple UAV can capture high-resolution images and videos, enhancing situational awareness for ground forces. Its ability to operate in diverse weather conditions ensures reliability in critical missions. What sets the Short Apple UAV apart is its ease of deployment. It can be launched quickly, allowing military units to respond rapidly to emerging threats. Additionally, its low operational costs make it an attractive option for various defense budgets. Baykar continues to push the boundaries of drone technology, and the Short Apple UAV is a testament to their commitment to innovation and excellence in the defense industry. As global demand for UAVs rises, Turkey solidifies its position as a key player in the aerospace sector. Stay tuned for more updates on cutting-edge technology from Baykar and the future of unmanned aerial vehicles.